Pacho, your man, you know, a car by ever salvation era and a question and a pay your thing Canadian as a walk. Or you money cheer, or you, or you could do, and winting and yes, him coyer, that's our hand. Said a bear, you bet me astering, yet me the bonnet at a chatty, or a near and for and tempting our way. But therefore, we patrol and a topic and as I dear of a cassa phone and son, carnival, and restaurants and my if you say, obey to me up wine after and a senior metaphor. And my represents a program a wow a woman. As I say to me, pushy, a piano, one in it to me, corny cocoa do baby, as I say, a bema in general every year pay you. Now, son, and I just over moving to me slow, over to me the more of a moment line 0242 381 585 0242 381-585. And yes, I'm sorry to the PayPal. Apostle Fred Ministry at gmail.com. Now, Patrick, as I said to me, you go school, I be saying, I think, be 7 miles be on my formula. One may still one formula. What's the whole answer? Into your Bible, forgiveness, the processes involved in forgiveness and marriage. Processes are a what? A bride, a bear person, a DB check, one check, and for swatching. And you must say to me, you know, this will back. O Mr. Bakwa Midophanese, ingredients to a year film with Tiene, you be money about another yapon every other man as a start. You need some in the machine. But you needed to make your much yam, and Mr. Baby, and some of your cases, so who are come. Now we used to see it, now film about, now practicing. Yes, practice makes man perfect. Yes, I cannot tinnick it. What's you know, now practice it, near the energy ever. It's made off, and net your cock with the processes involved in marriage. I can't be fast so a bit, and when they say, I do we. Sinto a bonny way was a medici. Now, quite then have a first one, the bitch. Put me this steps to Iswa and other processes to Iswa. A bit of one, Nina, yet me a giant and you push in your grandpapa, your cockle with your man is so. But your body, let's share my marty, a bad, Mobiso and Sanka, Nina, that I was sick. Grandpa, share more. Yeah. Me pacha adama you go school no the say we say almighty formula sisters all kind almighty formula plus minus b 1 1 na kwa process ya the question to one follow that process no make so one krana what from maybe also say me say to the final answer until ya the boy and one woman the processes involved in forgiveness and marriage if you want to say eh ya dey be you need this what systematically back free more forgiveness needs me we pay ana back free more forgiveness the symptom e bebem na say we dey e be free more yet forgiveness be eduma e wo our way.
I think it's a very good question. Adofonia before I'm over here, they said Nana ya kunedu kaya mon share na this program everyone could for be pray and you share the sakeke share na invite you for my so now question be a try what contribution be as well. Ye hear more and advice financially so be my boy so I'm my boy because we need laptops to make this program effective. One, it's a very nice question. Your procedure and I say process I was so far now or the manufacture and forgiveness in marriage without that process you would think that you are forgiven and that's what the money actually by now we find check because that procedure no so process one for so obey what the mean the third double say what the check by still again a click on what you want to do two ubeti media check but after what the child dear was say we a money pana one form we want to you can do it but now we also what they change meaning say one for process as na moka our mass side no so little mistake I obey ye or forgiveness rather than unforgiveness. You are trying to forgive but your forgiveness will tend to unforgiveness because you did not follow the right method. One last week now when the Kasana I say make the written side and the physical side and the spiritual side and now they carry vision about say forgiving it two ways, the written side and the touched. Now they can the written side and attach and they can be to by name touch. The first thing you need to do if you want to forgive, the first thing you need to do is the touched. The touched method is the method that is the best. The touch, you know, as you said, you are a form. What I mean is, Nikun, Musma form. And if my form no, se metimi de ne bɔne akyɛ no anaasɛ ɔno abɛka akyɛ no sɛ wa memfa ne bɔne nkyɛ no a the first thing she need to do is to act. Acting be the physical side. I just bunko today. What I mean is that we bunko today no a 1 meter. We bunko today psychologically no matter no matter what. I do need to equity forgiveness. What I mean is that and to look other cultures na e be that form. Other cultures e be so nine. Other cultures no e be that ya. Other cultures no e be edo mutrimi e perform. Other cultures no e be ko adija. Obi an the culture. But yen Francais Ghana your culture no and your customs no e kire yen say wo fom nipa yibu na nim kotoje and I want to be that form. And I do so to say you. What the major answer? Make a crime minimum. One, into what the insult to say you. Wabunko to get bem or bow. Don't feel shy. So the bunko you will get another could possible. Don't feel shy. A bunch of bunko to get an or brain or once and I say, well, Luano, which is wrong. And I'm going to say marriage. So we need to be about winning. This is what you need. So, touched, you know, this is what you should do. Wabunko to get. Watch, when could you cry now? Make the written say they were tested. One certain. We read message in your demo. The next thing I need to do is to hold her palm for Ansabra. I will say, me show me your answer. Me show me inside, me tongue, no. Me fan training say, she say. Then, me massage. So when I'm doing this, I'm creating awareness. If I'm doing this, healing it taking place gradually. When I'm doing this psychologically, I'm speaking to her. Say I've accepted it. So when I'm doing this, you know, I can also add my other pound. Say, meaning I've accepted it. Then you draw the person closer to you. What you not bear? What you not bear? What you have again? So who are gonna me breast that touching who bear man one? What is psychologically? There is a healing. Be a few circle form. Emma forgiveness in the age. No matter the agenda we see. And also when you do that now, psychologically you are preparing your sexual activeness. What do I mean? Oh yes, oh sir, I criticize them some who need piano. Now I know the strongest idea. It is clear forgiveness and it's a sexual activeness. And you know, my train about closer. I'm crying now. Me dem inside actually inside. And I said, my train about me say now or down emotional. We these two parts, now say position, and you're very active. It's a masada. And you're touching me. It clears, it cleanses everything within the heart and the mind. No matter who you are, no matter how difficult you are. I didn't buy my mom, son, and some training by any process. A year, Juma. So I bet touching nothing. Nitiba Toma Betty. Nitiba Toma Betty. Now, no, Abama no. They clear, they cleanse it. Unforgiveness spirit na aye go. So wo cleanse na because now we sexual activeness is a generative. What did I say? So if you do this and ma wuti me the money there. Two obi o wa nipa na bunku toje then one son nsa no apija no wo so very rapid they don't mean you have accepted it. I want you this spiritually, physically, psychologically. Emotions ni na a function. Tebu about we besu. If you read the book of Exodus, chapter 3, or can say me, or say, na Israel for this thing, Monishu Drewen Yakupwani. They already carry a papa on na Abraham. So when Nipesua, What's the vision? Ni person a generate ade. Obi o wan so wa ye bone. Last time obi di bo me ka to. Wo ye ya no bu nkutude. O hwe light na wa bone ni ade a, car light na bone na wo ye. Obu nkutude papa. Die na me. So I was just let me show you chance. And it is a bad man now from a bad man, so bad of so bad, and man tells you.
When you are saying that,
And then you are saying that, son, I'm your boy. See you soon. I'm boy in the sense that seems we may mamma, the bad mamma, the man is soon ever. The money should have been my walk. Too close to boo. What I mean, it's and not to me the awareness, about it made the forgiveness really about now it cleanse negativities.
Before this process starts, on said before now, best find some meaning that Obia can add not training on come Obia Buffy. But Obama and Abemano Akuma Buffum, a move our Pakuma Buffum said David. They might be who's my form a year and I'm a form. But by Pakuma that switching us 20 brain one shot will be to me a demonstrated side area Beman Akuma 20 years. So some commander switching us, so I can't be any yama.
No. Also because I know your partner. And now, I seem to have a wood chain and son worry or what actia a your wish. Because my phone made it. My phone instant. Said the man will become the way 1 year instant. So what can a wood chain? Even a power phone come to seek advice from negative side. They make out from negative person. The position of the heart and in the mood also consider it depends on partner. What's that mean? Me, for instance, as some shame by man, someone control me. Maybe man is someone detective. Maybe I try to detect man someone. Obiani, the way I would hear. Obo instant one hour, ya, Obi to grab your crab. As I'm Panamerican. Book now, I found said the way I make we are brow, we are Mebwama, Yadina to the second. Who were not by my shadow and sister for 100. I'm not saying say Jai, our real bet, for 100. Be very smart. One he will follow any Barbara, the enemy. Yeah, any Barbara didn't need to see. Because any baby and son or me and own castle, not I do not know any of common asset. The son of our boy sit out. And the son of every cool let a coolly a juma, only Mudada. And as we plan, you do Kuna, now you can be permitted them and transfer. Or be our say, be our real Kuno, or be our real when you are money will be like should I use the word damage? Will be physically between that your body, will be to say them, and yet instant near warning of May, and I try a armor. May obey. No,
forgiveness doesn't take place when there is threat in your marriage. And one partner starts or threatening one. You need forgiveness and change.
No, you should forgive the person. If before we free fear and other cooperate, you should forgive that person for even saying that.
Person just say, "Mummy, no way for me in say forgiveness, but every person is in terminal surgery. It is what threatened me so become me as still me apply forgiveness and say, Yak church, no way said the best to be a make my wife to me find chemical. No, but see, before we free, we be seeking for refuge. And before I be able to baby, I could forgive that person. Say threat to them how many times and somebody have one so to animal.
My mention what did threat is threat.
Many times.
Any times it's a threat. And I will almost say, my cousin, waka. It will be able to fool me or the kind of vehicle so far. It means it's a threat. But waka, try. The man nothing can say marriage. Yes.
And I come about for my
Ubi some crop in my exam into sanity.
But some is a simple so I come and appear in his room. To be a case, I shall some like you watching to know what
I'm sure it will be our own case delay very careful. What yes, so if you're dealing with us, I don't have a problem. Me found one solution. I don't have a problem. This I'll be selling not to say anything. And you know me, made me the Yashawa. Now, me didn't show, and yes, I said, have you. And we here, who are ignorance. nim na wonim na wode afom me. I just quit. Ana what yeah ye kasa na nkofo hu ye say ye threat. But we are the best. We are the best. Ye ma hu position where ye life. What do you mean? Abrofo wa de bi. Ameni eje ho pa. O show na wo sere. Boni bi anka so refuse visa abrawo mu na. Please, I'm very sorry. How was your day? I'm not going to say I'm very sorry, I can't be with you. So no, I said, but be need it. Obumuna. I'm going to say, we do money. What's the meaning of it? Barbara Fire is what crap. Or crab a 5 years down in China was primary in was put. And yes, I said, come on. Ubu poor, what will create awareness? And we answer me to be Cassan. Na omo because omo buy insel no ma buy insel but che de yen kon say ade nkwa na ntesa no na damage aye adwuma to we find it difficult to come back. What the mean is and the dia that make say me say obi a wo kan wasempa on time ni nkwa akire nkan na mu de wo kan wasembone no odwene kwa akire planet ehye se na be ya watamfo ebeti ase. But what can one send Pam one said that meaning she says me can send Papa be say to the yahwe politicians say ye beto abe oh near ye kwan near ye we and no ye kwa you say ahomache pa near ye one tell say plan what they are doing right in omo you me dey am ka the politician go beto na ka kira wo say aban we buy wa ya ade we and I'm on to my school, Montuma, member free education. Montuma, member Mrs. Yasia. I didn't say Pragia, Montuma, Mayor, when I came here. When I was away. Yes, Montuma, my toilet. I buy by toilet. Now, own your toilet. Are your responsibility? Say the parents, your ma. You must have done if you say because your man also request you. And you president responsibility and you no public. Some shall not come and say that and no to a more bremo. No so many pizza. My two pizza they are bremo. Take my idea. That doesn't make you a responsible president. And I said a responsible a parent. And yet we responsible and you duty. And nothing at all about the mouth. And what oh my young crime here may see we bring free idea by one district, one factory. And you were said here. Nurses secretary, Mamma so about to obey something. And you were said here. You know, so maybe you find an influence. And nothing, yes. But the year they are married. And yet, Obia said you are real. So, would the bonnet bed every church? To me, the bonnet chair, you see, the bonnet chair woman, you know. Now, because now we have a son who said the chair. I'm not a good partner. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. No. Who say critique pain? Who you are open door for the spirit of unforgiveness? And to go over the one year channel, you say, now you made the choice, no, as I carry the panel, won't find chair, with their chair and come also. And you was said this also with the check.
So, I know
what's one fan chair.
Papa Nana, maybe I chabona, Uguso at this abonne,
Fachano,
Mingus and San Fanchano.
Fachano. My mentor about life. Who mistakes are cool? Who may be a mistake or cool in power. But when now? They make a what tell me, any. We couldn't. We have a bonnet. And now, Miss Media Chow. We have been keep on. The white yemen no send me come once, look at some past one, Mr. Cano.
Papa say the same bonnet and Miss Adi.
I now make sure say, made the better. Make the way, the make none we none we make us me generative pain. And the mammy army two. Who so some is a media chow. And make us a media chow. A dear and worry for you. Every problem. Or the book of Corinthians. First Corinthians chapter 10 verse 8 in the book.
Fortunately, unfortunately, no more boys for about how good a bit for money. I simply say, I'm going to be dry. I might be for a food.
ana ma me so di atema ko say be ma sansen be ma fi be ma tantan ko say ampanyini wonu ma me nya na di atema but ba be who the truth in it until forgiveness that take place by woman me ne de one ye be obey 60 say me nkwa aware ni bio I don't am say marriage all problems and issues no before you can deal with it na ye there is the two. So the third people we should forget about them.
It's not
Mama Nancy. Okay, huh? No. If you try to deal with it, work out. Now, Abushia Crambremo. Make me a one advice to Abushia. My so for which now warriors, and now say, Nipa Mujini. So I am matured. Woman, me and papa, but when it comes to marriage, can be said they are not matured. Immaturity. The amount of painting and trauma warrior is there. The amount of man power it is there. So the first man does not make him or does not make her or your father him as matured when it comes to marriage. Because if he or she is mature, that continue sustaining it. So I was saying something. And to name it to know very fine. Now mommy, any mommy or big issue. And to worry if you know with Timua. Now we buy what we buy anytime after we buy now what it. Minimum be on any year in Mediano or is it 2 or 2? 2. Says one neighbor man. I will 4 come on my best 6. But parents doesn't know say look on any and you know one for the man is a lecturer. Let me see a mess. I saw retirement. Educated people. One man with my men last time I'm lady in so my more genison. 2 images say we jay our real one. Says we will be out 4 and then any other. A jump. Send I'm working. So new kunwa. In fact, that's why I make a great with you. And when you new kuna one now because almost come be a boy there. Do you know what the lady told? The lady did not boy and or only new kuna no place. But no mammy and our family who are on the new answer. I feel on the water. So I didn't want to be Jimmy for Bema, what is so marriage. So forgive who could just sensible person. No advice, no mistakes are. Yaneboa. I just want to be a very big mistake. Because you will never go on. Yes, say. You are the one. Obine say, one for the air. Anna, would do when you could say, or would when you hear. Obian in a spectacle, be the way what's an agent sister? Do a catch a nipa do a normal a die and a baby be a wall. Ned Jawarian and Chamber. Now, I mean, nipper you from yes, idea.
Yes, someone else, woman, and a bedroom, but the fact of it,
oh, yes,
it's me back. And away back. It's me back. Because in your business, and why I did.
Wouldn't so for it. Not one time. So one coffee one could take action like a Barbara. Oh, 2 of us.
It can be both.
No.
In fact, it is true and it is false.
Yeah.
I don't have true in the Air Force. Me, they true, mommy.
They are true. They say, "O coffee on the moon, the Air Force is a one coffee also some who nagin. What can one three?
Mamma,
but go on, what's it?
Maybe Mamma, what did one nino at what that I needed to go. Yana, one from one move, Beffy, and may I contact. Where's Obiaku? What I yes, I walk with the way you we are so who cock one who will be out in our tells you. Our advice said there is issue separation about Muma separation in Konamu working out. If Akuntanu went there without her sister, Akuntanu went there without the sister. Do you know Ada Kibisi? Or then the back as 101. Bema to Bema. They can talk as Bema and Bema. But look at something. When Bible come and cry here, Mama. Bible cuts when yai Nukuna or Kuno or Bono. What is an Kumanicas when I say? A Kumano also says it when I say. But Bible stop, or Bonuku, stop, or Bonibrand. By the sister in law was back in Nukuno. Me tell you about married. And I'm married and so be baby from where you become some and me and I'm not and see and friend me what come out. A very big mistake. We have when you come in answer. Ubefra wayem the car wayem asem de kiro entie emfa antake opponent no. Wo yes a wo ya so woni nyansa. Tie both sides. Ne make one kasa with judgment. Ebu na wo ba na ono be bo cha, na wo di kan wo. Court a wo ni dem. I did am kasa me obi be kasa tie both sides. This say me wo wa ya wadwene say. Ade na obi say wo breaki. And am so breaker enko base on false charges. Because false charges it mean the pain. E be ni problem. What did I mention that? At the end of the day, you to America. Me, when you bear my issue, my name can't say they don't come bear my fee. I will go there first. Talk to the man 101. Never who not doing. Make me a quaba because it's Jawarian. Make me a quaba because it's Jawarian. But my name because it's Jawarian. But make quaba because you follow your heart. And then me front out when you kuma and you be massive. Some I can't do the Jawarian and the two. Jawari, could you? Unyam was at the end of that. My year be pain. I don't know who so rejoice. And you know, the account was only a general crown, Umunya and the Yamasa. Ah, but that catch was a bema when you obey my you say. But I'll make sure says deliverance will pay advice you not them another for. And what anything that you quite a said critique, another pain.
Papa na person business we are sure say sanka wanfa ne nua ba no so anka we are sure sanka ofo yi no so nko be ma na kunta na hu de wona adwu
no na ni na adwunim le mondia na ni na adwunim what say if you say I am not a pastor that's what I said there. If you say I'm a fake
yeah
if you say I am fake pastor and I'm coming the spirit of that fakeness in the beginning mu adwuma bonsa and words are powerful and some will catch any part a critique pain a critique genuinity ni mebu oni pem. The many people for forgiveness, what getting some words away you saw man in your market can. Still, oh, you did Juma. Obia, I could tell no translate the idea that is supposed to be fake. What a way you fake, you cry fake in a section of what you want, as I'm not simple. My name would say, my sorry, Jimmy Forba, or Bassan said, wouldn't answer the over Panama. I know ya. I wouldn't have gone to make us up. Tis a miss or bear phone or Bassan said, you'll be a phone some idea. Actually. To talk one about the blood, dear, so don't say it. And money, don't say it. Where's no a generating more? We'll go for some of your many people with too much in the brain. Yeah, and you know, or call on the Quack, in a coy and a bag. What didn't it buy among bar men in 12? Maybe, yeah, cannot be another fun idea. Yako. Eh, when you answer, and not make us or for you on your mature. Me, I'm more Yako. If it's the movie, I will go there. If I decided not to go there, I won't go there. That is me. I have a friend who is my panacho. Say now about a funny man, with my bathroom. But we share now, so I don't cry. Just leave it. Go to Yami Panway. Make I say more questions. You'll be sorry. I say, when I have a question, I say, what's it? Nipreguswa, who can go?
No, the phone, we will go. I
did about my children in marriage. Also, so for better, for worse, you know. Also, the answer, they be our year, and quite betrayal. And to be betrayed, rider. Would the answer or be how? According to the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 10, what's it then?
10:23.
Very quick.
But 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 23.
No, verse 13.
Verse 13, sorry. Patrick say, ever test that you have experienced is the kind that normally comes to people. But God keeps his promise, and he will not allow you to be tested beyond your power, to remain firm. At the time you are put to test, he will give you the strength to endure it, and so provide you with a way out.
He will give you a strength. What did I mean? And you also hear no. So you didn't be my main child did you. More pebema one more bema Joseph.
Then you Joseph
Bible with Joseph. And you Joseph a year Jacob over. Make up Joseph Mary boy.
Carpenter
boy. Mary boy. Pebema to sell. See, Bible is not necessary. Pebema to say Joseph.
Papa, no benya bema to say Joseph.
Let me tell you, Joseph. Oh, Mr. Joseph. Mr. Joseph. Me say Joseph.
Papa, you sure?
Me. Say ya di anke di aware tester. Ka ware me never. So what say Joseph for? I'm telling you. Ware me na test me say Joseph. Me ma environmental things in decide mama. And I learned to keep secrets. What do I mean? And that boy, when we say when you're cornered, the bofu, Corkeo. And the photo to send open, we said, one fan who can win you more. Dear Baba, Kidia Baba.
What?
Dear Baba. Also, one Tiasia. One Tiasia present or what can, dear Baba. By Joseph, who said, Mary and young. No, beside Mary, Mary, for maybe.
Papa said, Ubu okay.
So there should be a hat. Beer. I was saying, and some of the baby ship.
Papa, na hat be a bit me a contain this.
I'm saying there should be. Also, so no. To what's one man so her boy sooner than Emma, and the training can say.
One of them may be kind to more dominant. The Bible say, so shall be around home. Did ye a year only paddy? Now, young couple, you know, cough, or my social. One, I want someone shall more dear, move it to me so. Nemo, or Bama Quire, would it be free to renew na more to me, Edina.
Jack, I say, okay.
Now,
Jack, fear not, sanity, why? Yeah,
serious.
Oh, they mention oh, so what's in so much dear Buddha so much? And as you said, Obama, you're quite the bed. You beat me, Jenna. With them into a year and a year, and who could you? What's so hell? That is the time what's one. What I mention? That's also one. That's so many year a dear air day man with me free. What I mention? One. Yen shadi be say ye betinya boa. At times, you know, forgiveness can be difficult. Yeah, na day so betimi de ache. But the betima boy say try as much as possible. Obey the special day. You want to forgive. Remember the special day, and the special day is the day that you promise.
But wait a second process.
No, me not my process also. I'm still in introduction. What did I mention? Remember the special day. That was your wedding day. The marriage day. The day you said for better for worse. The day you said I love you. The day you said Obana day, Eunice Gamashi. We see my lovely Eunice Gamashi. What the love about the show? Remember that vows. Yeah, wow. I must say, who won't send me a kind of crana? So, whoa, yeah, then. Whoa, as I could come, my lovely, no, I won't smoke my demon, my dangerous husband, my wicked husband, my wicked wife, my brother. Who kite the special day now? It helps you.
It endures you.
What did I mention? So, Nina, I did be a it's me wow. And now, unforgiveness, some families, and I say marriage is delay. So if there is a marriage now unforgiveness spiritual man, a money delay. Abraham, won't even come on you. Because near what say ye? I was said the energy about near 12 countries.
You're saying it.
Anyhow, how can we plan? How can we talk? Minister of Jamaica will tell myself, a better than I. Because the unforgiveness spirit is working. But if there's forgiveness, no unity tonight, then Abba, because you go, you know, then we keep on.